Oh yeah. Look at them patties. So throw them bad boys in the air fryer. Welcome to the Mid America Truckshow 2023. It's Matt's, baby. We are here. Show doesn't open till 1 o'clock. But we got a lot full of trucks. I can just pan around here. They are everywhere and they're still coming in. Plenty of dogs, plenty of people. We even got airplane gonna come into scene here any minute. There it is. Just had my coffee. So we're gonna walk around and look at some of these trucks and probably go to Kentucky Trailers. My dad just bought a new trailer. They just built it, so we're gonna try and go check it out. Show opens at 1. Let's get over there and start checking out the show. See, we're gonna exit 60 Dixie Highway, 60 East or 60 West, 31W South and 60 West, 8A.
Okay.
Left.
It's a left exit. It does say left. Okay.
To Fort Knox. Man, look at this Kentucky Trailer. They have one heck of a facility here. We got David Smith here. He's going to give us a tour. That was super awesome. Dave Smith, thank you. I'm a Kentucky guy. We got a truck show to get to. Tim Gentry. How you doing, brother? I know that's you. If you guys ain't watching Gentry and Sons YouTube channel, you're probably not in the game at all.
Living under a rock, ain't they?
Right, exactly. So.
Oh, we got another YouTuber coming in here.
Hey, I'm working on it.
Look at this guy.
Look at that guy right there. Anyways, hey Tim, I appreciate it. Thank you so much,
man. Appreciate it.
Check out the Wannabe Trucker YouTube channel. See, I got him to chuckle. I got him to chuckle.
It's hard to do, especially in these days.
What's your favorite kind of truck? You like the cab? You like the old stuff, don't you? So, I'm gonna show you mine. You tell me what you think. All right? You can handle it. Think you can handle it?
Yeah.
Takes half the state of Utah to turn around, bro.
That's pretty nice.
Did I do okay? All right. I just want to make sure I got the Braxton seal of approval. Hey, I met up with Amsoil Adam.
Good morning, YouTube.
And I'm actually an Amsoil dealer. I just started as an Amsoil dealer because of this guy right here, because of him and Tim Gentry, who I was just visiting with. And it's probably one of the best products out there in the market. They're not going to BS you. They don't, advertise mainstream. I mean, it's just, hey, we got a good product. If you want it, get it, right?
Yeah, it's one of the things I truly respect about Amsoil is they don't do all the trickery that a lot of the other companies do in the marketing. They just lay out the facts and they build the best product they can possibly build, not just to meet the minimum recommendation, but the absolute best product that they can capably build. And then that shows true in their track record. And 50 years of the best oil on the planet.
And the thing that hooked me was when you were in Tim Gentry's video, you said if you have the right oil, you don't need any additives.
That's true. Additives are a gimmick, and most people fall for the marketing. It's a gimmick.
Yep.
Stop wasting your money.
But I appreciate it. Thank you so much. We got a show to go to, right?
Thank you.
All right.
Good. Nice meeting you, sir.
Later. If you guys want current events, if you guys want to know what's going on, this is your guy right here.
I appreciate you.
This is your guy right here. So I'm just a wannabe trucker.
You better stop with me.
No, come on now.
Hey, I tell you this, if you guys see my face, you guys know who I am, support this man, give him a shot, because we all start somewhere, and as long as you care about the industry, you care about truck drivers, then that's what it's about. So
that's what it's about. I appreciate you, I really do. Big rig tees too.
Yeah.
Guys got to get you some.
Oh yeah.
wrap. Match 2023 was cool. I haven't been here since 2018 and it did not disappoint. We got everything wrapped up. My dad's gone. He just rolled out. Got everything cleaned up. You know, got to make it look good. Leave it better than what you found it. And did my pre-trip, greased my trailer. Went through all my swag. Oh, it's so easy to collect stuff you don't need. Koozies and pens. They were everywhere. What a good time. I met so many great people. Hopefully some of you guys I met tune in and we cross paths again. But until I see you, you guys take it easy. Peace.